Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel Sanam Tutor. Students, today in this session we discuss complete solution of brain teaser of chapter percentage and its application class 6 DAB Public School. So let us start the session. I already completed introduction to algebra, also circle chapter in detail. If you not see the session, then you can see by click on I button or go to playlist. Okay, so let's start the session. First question, 2.6 percentage expressed as decimal is dash. Okay, we know that percentage means divided by 100. So 2.6 divided by 100 because of percentage sign equal to, we know that if in decimal number is 100 or 10 is divided, only the decimal position will be changed, yes or no? Then that's why we write 0.026 because first here 2.6 the decimal position is after 2, yes. So now here if we divide 100 then the decimal position go left. So how many? That is 2 because of 2 0. So answer is 0.026. Or you can write by 2.6 divided by 100, or you can write 2.6 equal to 26 by 10, already 100, that is 1000. Okay, so answer is 0.026. Understand? Now next question, what percent is 1 by 2 dozen of 1 score? This is very important questions. Now we know that 1 dozen equal to 12 pieces, yes or no? So half dozen means 6 pieces. Of 1 score means 20 pieces. So 6 divided by 20 into 100, yes or no? Always retain after of in denominator. Okay, so cancel 25 ja 6 5 ja 30%. Okay, next question, if CP equal to 75, SP equal to 100, find the gain or loss percentage. So here is gain because SP is greater than how much? Na 25 divided by CP, that is 75 into 100. So 25 3 ja 100 by 3. Okay, so here is profit. So profit 33 whole 1 by 3%. So option number I is the correct answer. Okay, now gain or loss percent always calculated on CP because we know that the formula for the profit percent is equal to P by CP into 100, yes or no? And also know that loss percentage formula is loss divided by CP into 100. That's why loss percent or profit percent is always calculated on CP. Okay, now 33 whole 1 by 3% of 1 whole 1 by 2 minute is equal to dash. Okay, so we know that 33%, so 33 whole 1 by 3 you can write 100 by 3 percentage, yes or no? Because it is a mixed number. Mixed number converted into improper fraction means first we multiply 33 into 3, that is 99 plus 1, 100 by 3 percentage of 1 whole 1 by 3, that is 3 by 2 minute. But here answer is in second. So now minute will also converted into second. So it can write 100 by 300 because of percentage of means into 3 by 2 into minute means 60 second. Okay, now 0000 cancel, 3 cancel, 2 30 ja. So answer is 30 second. So option number 2I is the correct answer. Okay, next, what is the number which is 5% more than 600? Okay, so how to solve? Now a number, now we can write directly required number equal to 5% more than, so from which? Now that is 600. So 600 plus because of more. Okay, so more by more plus like that is plus 5% of 600. Okay, now solve. 600 plus 5% is 5 by 100 of means into 600. So 100 cancel, that is 5 6 are 30. So 600 plus 30 equal to 630. Okay, so answer is 630, not rupees. Okay, next question, question number B. Find the simple interest. Okay, solve. So simple interest formula, we know that. First write down the given, that is P equal to how much? P means principal, rupees 200. Now write down R equal to rate of interest, that is 5% per annum. Now time period, that is T equal to 6 months. But we know that time is always written in year, that is 6 by 12 year equal to 1 by 2 year. Now put the formula, that is SI. So SI formula is P into T into R by 100, that is P equal to 200 into T equal to 1 by 2 into R, that is 5 divided 1 by 2, here is 100. Okay. Now 0000 cancel, 2 cancel, that is 5. So answer is 5 rupees. Okay, next question. Question number C. If 140 is reduced, first here is the number is 140 is reduced to 112. Now the question is find the percentage of reduction. First, number of reduction equal to how much? Now 140 minus 112, that is 28. Now find out percentage of reduction. Percentage of reduction equal to 28 divided by number, that is 140 into 100, percentage sign. Now cancel, 0 cancel, 14 2 ja, 2 10 ja, 20%. So answer is 20% reduction. Okay, next question. What is 12% of 0.5? Okay, so 12% of 0.5 meter, but we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Similarly, you can write 0.5 meter equal to 0.5 into 100, that is 50 centimeter. So we can write 12 divided by 100 of means into 0.5, that is we can write 50 centimeter. So 52 ja 100, 2 6 ja, so answer is 6 centimeter. Understand? Now next, question number E. Okay, now E number, SP equal to how much? Now SP equal to 260 and profit equal to 60. Find the profit percent. Okay, so we know that profit percentage formula is profit divided by CP into 100. Yes or no? But here CP is not given. So first we find CP. So find out CP. So CP how much? That is SP minus CP profit, that is 260 minus 60, that is 200. Because here is profit, profit means CP is less than SP, that's why minus. So 260 minus 60 equal to 200 rupees. So we can write 60 divided by 200 into 100. So 0000 cancel, 230. So answer is 30%. Okay, next question. Question number 2 number A, that is 33 whole 1 by 3 percentage. You can write 100 by 3% or 100 by 300 because percentage sign is converted into 00. Now of means into 9012. Now cancel, 0000 cancel, 3 3 ja 9, 3 0 ja 0, 3 carry 1 again 0, then carry 2, 3 4 ja 12. So answer is 3004. Important questions. Okay, now next 25% we can write 25 by 100, of means into 10 by 100 into 1 kg means we can write 1000 gram. Any doubt? Now double zero, here is double zero, cancel. 1010 again 1010 cancel. So answer is 25 gram. Okay. Now question number 3, 12 whole 1 by 2 percentage less than 16 hours. So write down require number or require time equal to 16 minus, because of less than, that's why we minus. So how many percent? That is 12 whole 1 by 2 percentage of 16 hour. Now cancel, solve. 16 minus, that is 12 2 ja 24, 1 25 divided by 200 of means into 16, 25 8 ja 200, 8 2 ja 16. So 16 minus 2 equal to 14 hour. Okay. Next question. Next 4 number. John bought 100 eggs. So number of eggs equal to 100 for 40 rupees. So CP of 100 eggs equal to rupees 40. Out of these 4 eggs are found to be broken. So number of broken eggs equal to how many? 4. Now write down remaining eggs equal to how much? 100 minus 4, that is 96 eggs. Now this can be converted into dozen, that is 96 eggs. We can write 96 by 12 dozen. Yes or no? That is 8 dozen. Now the remaining egg at the rate of 7.5 per dozen. So sold means SP. So SP of remaining eggs equal to 8 into, because 8 dozen are remaining, 8 into per dozen rupees equal to 750. So multiply 8 0 ja 0, 8 5 ja 40, carry 4, 8 7 ja 56, 460 means 60 rupees. Okay. Now the question is find the gain or loss percentage. So CP equal to how much? 40 rupees. SP equal to 60 rupees means profit. So write down profit or gain equal to SP minus CP equal to 60 minus 40 equal to rupees 20. Now find the gain percentage equal to 20 divided by CP. So CP, that is 40 into 100. So 22 ja or 0 0 cancel, 2 2 ja 250 ja. So answer is 50%. Okay. Next. Now next question number 5. The articles are bought at rupees 45 per dozen. So we can write CP of 1 dozen article equal to how much? Rupees 45. Now sold at 85 per score. So CP and SP are different. That's why we find CP of 1 articles. Okay. Because here CP are given 12 and SP is given 1 score means 20. So they are different. That's why we equal. Equal means we find CP for 1 article and SP for 1 article. So we can find CP of one article equal to how much? Now that is 45 divided by 12 because 1 dozen 12 pieces. So equal to rupees 3.75. That is 3 rupees 75 paisa. Now similarly you can write SP of one score articles equal to rupees 85. Now we find SP of one article equal to how much? Now 85 divided by 20, that is 4.25 rupees. Clear? Now check from this and this profit or loss. Obviously profit because SP more than the CP. Then we can write gain equal to how much? SP minus CP, 4.25 minus 3.75. When you minus, the answer is 50 paisa. Okay. Now find the gain percentage. So gain percentage equal to, the formula is gain by CP. So gain equal to 0.50 divided by CP equal to 3.75 into 100 because of percentage, then percentage sign 50, 0.50 when you converted into paisa equal to 50, yes or no? And this 3.75 rupees when you converted into paisa equal to 375 paisa into 100. Now cancel 5 10 ja, 5 7 ja 35, 5 5 ja, 25 3 ja, 25 4 ja. So answer is 40 divided by 3 percentage equal to 13 whole 1 by 3 percentage. Okay, understand? If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. Now next question. Salim deposit means principal, that is P equal to how much? 1 to 000 or 12,000. Now a finance company which pay 15% rate of interest means R equal to how much? 15%. Now find the amount he expected to get after, means time period is equal to 4 whole 1 by 2 year, that is 4 2 ja 8 1 9 by 2 year. All are given. First find the SI. So SI formula is PTR by 100. Now put the value, that is 12,000 into T equal to 9. Okay. Now into 15 whole divided by 100 into 9 2. So that's why I write 2. 0000 cancel. 2 60 ja 120. Now multiply equal to 9 6 ja 54. 54 into 15, that is 540. 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 27. So 0. So 0 11 7 8. Here is again 1 0. So answer is 8,100 rupees. Now find the amount, because you find amount. So amount equal to P plus SI equal to 12,000 plus 8,100 equal to 31. Sorry, 0 0 1 0 carry 1 2, 20,100. Okay. Next question. Ramlal bought orange at rupees 30 per dozen, means CP is given. So CP of 1 dozen orange equal to how much? 30. Now loss percentage is given. So write down loss percentage equal to how much? Now that is 5%. Now find the selling price. Okay, first selling price means first we need loss, because selling price formula is Cp loss means Cp is greater than, so minus loss. Now find loss, because loss equal to how much? Now loss equal to 5% of dash, because loss and profit is always calculated on Cp. So 5% of Cp. So that is 5% is given, that is 5 by 100 into Cp equal to 30. 5, 0, 0 cancel, 5 2 ja. So 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.50. Yes, 1.50. So now 30 minus 1.50 equal to 28.50 rupees. Okay, next. Out of 1200 people, 800 know only English. So number of people know only English equal to 800. Now only Punjabi equal to how much? 50. Now rest are both language. So write down number of people know both language equal to total is 1200. Total is 1200 minus 800 plus 50. So simply minus, that is 1200 minus 850, that is 50, 100. So here is 900, 93, so 350. Okay, now find the percentage. So a number, people who know only English. So only English means the percentage of only English equal to only English number is 800. So 800 divided by total, that is 1200 into 100. Understand? Now solve. 0 0 0 0 cancel. 4 3 ja, 4 2 ja 8, 200. So 3 6 ja 18, 3 6 ja 18, 2 by 3 percentage. Okay. Now B number, people who know both English and Punjabi. So percentage of both equal to how much? 350. So 350 divided by total is 1200 into 100. 0 0 cancel. 2 6 ja, 2 1 ja 2, 15 to 7 ja to 5 ja. Now 6 3 ja 18, 6 2 ja 12, 55, 6 9 ja 54, 1 by 6 percentage. Clear? Now next question, probable deposit. So P equal to given, so write down P how much? Now P equal to 5000. Now rate of interest equal to 5 whole 1 by 2 percentage. After 3 year means time equal to 3 year. Withdraw now means we find the SI. So tell me what is SI? PTR by 100, that is 5000 into 5 whole 2, 5 whole 1 by 2 means 10, 10 1, 11 by 2. So 11 into 3 by here is 2 into 100. Now 0 0 cancel to 25. So 25 3 is 75 into 11. So 750, 75. So 5, 12 carry 1, 8 means 825. Okay. Now find the amount. So amount equal to P plus SI equal to P how much? P equal to 5000 plus 825, that is 5825 means issued, probable should Prabal has 5,825 in her bank account, but she withdraw how much? He withdraw the money and buy an Almira. Okay, 4700. How much money left? So write down how much money left. The total in account is 5,825, but he withdraw 4,700. Simply minus. So write down left, money left equal to minus, that is 5,825 minus 4,700, that is here is 5, here is 2, 8711. So answer is 1,125 rupees. Clear? Next question and the last question and the hot question we solve in next session. Okay, the last question is okay, the find the simple interest. P equal to how much? Now P equal to 6,500, R equal to 8%, and time equal to, you should find the time. How to find? Now first write down number of days in January. January equal to, from 5 means 30, 1 minus 5, that is 26. Now February, because January पर February is 28 because of 2015, because 2015 is not a leap year, so 28 days. Now March equal to how much? 19. So addition, so 6, 9, 8, 17, 13, 3 carry 1, 2 to 4, sorry, 23, 2 carry 2, 2 to 4 to 6, 1, 7, 73 days. So 73 days you can write 73 divided by 365 equal to 1 by 5 year. Okay, so time equal to 1 by 5. Time equal to 1 by 5 year. Now find the simple interest. Simple interest formula is how much? P into T into R by 100. So SI equal to P equal to 6,500. T equal to 1 by 5 into R equal to 8 divided by 100. So 0000 cancel. 5, 13 ja, 13 8 ja, 104 rupees. So answer is 104 rupees is simple interest. If the question is asked find the amount, then simply you can add simple interest with principal. Clear? And in next session we solve the hot questions, also worksheet 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so till then, thank you.